Hello everyone, I'm Dr. K. N. Prajwal, orthopedic surgeon. I have been practicing orthopedics since last 9 years. My basic qualification, my MBBS is from Rajeshwari Medical College, and I did my MS Ortho in KIMS Bangalore, and I did my specialization in advanced trauma from Sanjay Gandhi, Bangalore, and I did my fellowship in joint replacement, primary and revision from Sanjay Gandhi Institute of Orthopedics in Bangalore. So my basic interest in orthopedic is joint replacement, revision and primary. So I have been done a lot of numbers since I've started my practice, and I've been evolving, and I can say joint replacement is also evolved, and people are doing very good with the surgery. So I would like to say orthopedics has evolved, and the advanced technology has made the patient and the doctor's lives very easy. Definitely, there is no thinking twice to get any major surgeries done by us in Nano Hospitals with proper equipments and facilities and backup. We can assure any orthopedic problem related, we can give you the best of the best treatment.